Sustainability is that we live our lives in a way that doesn't prevent future generations from being able to live their lives successfully.
As a father of three, I feel it's absolutely crucial that we protect our environment.
And sustainability is very much at the heart of our business. We're the UK's premier green company. We're currently building more offshore wind than any other company in the world.
When we build offshore wind farms, we need to be extremely sensitive to the ecosystem. So we have an obligation to ensure that the wind farm isn't having any adverse effect.
As you can see, the puffins seem to like congregating on the rocks. So we have another camera positioned there looking at the plot from a different angle. So it'll give the AI model a good look at the profile of the puffin. The species recognition project started around 18 months ago as part of ideation sessions that were held with Microsoft and SSE.
And one of the most exciting things about that has been the puffin counter, something that we're going to be using for a lot of bird recognition and to provide a lot of data on birds so that we can ensure that we run wind farms safely.
First, this was really just a proof of concept. Once we'd validated that the tool could be used against this imagery and video, we then decided to run a live trial, which we're conducting now on the Isle of May.
Using artificial intelligence to monitor puffins, individual recognition of each puffin, provide that data so we understand overall health of the colony. The data, the imagery we get from the colony, that data goes via the cloud, and then we put it through a Microsoft AI technology, and that does all the recognition, and then a very easy to use dashboard that counts the puffins and looks at the activity. Our history in data has been quite difficult. Being able to put it in a place that people can easily access it, that it's safe, that's been a real difficulty. So a tool like Azure, where you have that strategy, you know where you're going to put the data, it's very well structured. We have mobility with the data because it's cloud-based.
Microsoft have been absolutely key in this project. It has been very successful and we've achieved all our key milestones.
While puffins are wonderful and they're a great start, actually it's endless, dolphins to porpoises, and then the bird life in order to really monitor the impact that you're having, and then of course that allows you to adapt what you're doing in order to reduce the impact.
Delighted to be collaborating with Microsoft on our digital journey. That's only going to continue to get more and more important as the UK goes to doubling and tripling the amount of assets and wind farms it puts out in the North Sea.